What if you could chat with an AI and actually have it build for you and deploy websites, blogs, dashboards, tools, and much more in any programming language with no code required? Well, today I'm here to tell you about MGX because that's exactly what these guys do, and they do it well. Let's dive into this with a little demo. So this is MGX, and Atoms is the former MetaGPT X or MGX, and a product of the open source project MetaGPT, which got 58,000 GitHub stars, which is a massive feat, really proving the credibility behind this product. It's also developed by Open Manus as well. But let's go ahead and talk about this by pressing Start Building now. Because if we press that button, we can see that yes, we are greeted with an agent screen here. And if we do scroll down, we can just see about the capabilities of this platform. Because as you can see here, guys, I mean, there is so much you can do with this, whether it is for your own online website, or it could be a content hub, or if we scroll down here, we can see that someone's even created their own social media platforms. So this isn't something where you type it in and you get a very vague output. You get fully fleshed out websites and designed here, and you can see someone's even cloned Minecraft in this use. So let's scroll up to the top here and then go ahead and press the button here to start building. So let's say, for example, here we want to build a review site that is focused on ratings for cafes and restaurants. What we can do here is type that in and press go, but we also have the options here to actually show an engineer or a team. So a team will basically dedicate multiple AI agents to work together and actually create what you want here, or you can go with a single engineer that will do it for you. Let's try the team version here, in which we can see here we have Mike is the team leader, Alex is the engineer, Emma is the product manager, David is the data analyst, and of course Bob is the architect. We can go ahead and if we go over here, we can see there are even more roles coming soon. But as someone that is a creative and someone that potentially just wants to be the founder of a project, this is great because we already have all of our employees here without needing to actually pay thousands or even millions in salaries. We can also see here on the bottom left-hand side that there is a database functionality, which is the Superbase database, which is obviously one of the best out there. And of course, if we go to the right-hand side, we can go ahead and choose which different LLM we can use here to actually get the result. So we have Claude here, we have GPT-5, and we have Gemini 2.5 Pro. Let's stick with Claude and then go ahead and press let's stick with Claude here. And of course, we can also click this button, which will give us race mode and deep research mode as well. We're going to leave those for now, and we're just going to click go. So here we can see it is thinking, and it's giving each of these different team members different tasks. So scrolling up here, we can see that we have Mike, the team leader, has basically given these instructions to the team. And then we have Emma saying okay here with a reaction. And then Emma gets to work and goes ahead and focuses on its specific task. Now, why is this better than just simply typing it into ChatGPT and trying to get a result? Well, here we can see that if you do have different AIs with specific tasks, then you're actually going to get way better results when they've all combined it. The reason for this is, of course, that yes, when they do have their own specific tasks, they can focus a lot more on that, and they can have their designated memory limits not being breached as much. And this is huge in the LLM world. So we're going to let these guys get to work, and then I will come back once they have a decent product coming for us. So I'm going to let these guys get to work, and then we'll check back in a couple minutes here and see what they've come back with. Okay, so after a couple minutes here, we can see that yes, it has come back with an entire platform already built for us. And this is really the benefit of using a platform like this that will actually harness multiple different AI agents with specific jobs to create a fully functional product. This way, the AIs don't get confused, and it's just going to be a fully designed and comprehensive system with each sections of the website, whether it's the back end, front end, or graphical area, actually looking very, very decent across the board. So here, yes, we can see if we do just look at this website right now, the website is called Foodie Review. We have all of the stuff here at the top that you would expect on a website, the sign in, sign up button, and we can even search for different businesses here too. Now, if we scroll down, we can browse by category. And scrolling down further, we can see trending restaurants here as well. So we've got the French Laundry. If we click on that, we can see that, yes, it does have the whole area here showing that specific restaurant. So just recapping what we've done here with the bots, we have Emma, our product manager here, created a comprehensive PRD with market research and competitive analysis. And then we have Bob, the architect, designed complete system architecture with database schema and UI wireframes. And then Alex, the engineer, built the full web application with all requested features. So here we can see all of the requested features here that have come through. And then what we can do is obviously preview the app, test the features, publish, and even share this. So if we did want to publish this right here, we can do so at the top. So publish your project. We can go ahead and actually get our own domain here in the settings if we want. But for this case, let's just press publish. And here we can see the domain here that we can actually copy and send to people if we want. And if we do make different versions of this site, we can actually have different versions dedicated to this specific domain. So if we had older versions here, we could select that, and that would be what is present. From that point, we can press update, and then our website is good to go. Another cool thing here, guys, is the app viewer button here. So here we can see the editor, planner, terminal, app viewer, which is what we're on right now, as well as a file section, which shows all the files here on our website. So this is the full database that we can access directly on MGX. Now, other platforms out here, vibe coding platforms, don't really actually have this kind of functionality. So fantastic stuff here from MGX. That, coupled with the fact that it's using multiple AIs with specific rule sets, really does just place them ahead of the game. Now, you probably expect something like this to cost a lot of money, but we can see here, instead of paying thousands or even millions in some cases for full web design teams, we can see that this would actually only cost us as low as $20 per month. And we can even have a free version here, which, yes, you get 7.5 credits per day. And yes, you do also get a bunch of disk space, unlimited project sharing. And yes, this is definitely something that is worth a try, at least if you do want to check it out. Now, if you are a bit more serious, you can go up to the $20 per month or the $100 per month here, which you do get more and more credits per month. And if you do use our link in the description, guys, you're actually going to get exclusive benefits here and earn points by using our link. So definitely go ahead and do that, because honestly, this is one of the best sites I've used when it comes to just creating websites. You can see the possibilities here are basically limitless. You've got people using this for music software. You've got that social media platform we showed at the start, AI funk music, and the list goes on here. Basically, whatever you can imagine, whether it's a game, whether it's an app, whether it's a website, this is basically going to create that for you using all of the capability we've showed here today. So if you are interested, definitely check it out in the description, guys. But that is going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video.